The octopus is one of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth, famous for its incredible ability to camouflage and its high intelligence. These remarkable animals belong to the cephalopod family, which also includes squids and cuttlefish. While octopuses may appear as simple sea creatures, they are complex beings with advanced abilities that make them stand out in the underwater world. One of the octopus's most impressive features is its ability to change its color and texture. This skill, known as camouflage, allows the octopus to blend into almost any environment, from coral reefs to rocky seafloors. Using special cells in its skin called chromatophores, the octopus can expand and contract pigments to match its surroundings. It can also manipulate the texture of its skin, creating bumpy, spiky surfaces to resemble rocks or coral. This ability helps octopuses avoid predators and sneak up on prey without being noticed. But how does an octopus do all this? The answer lies in its sophisticated nervous system and highly developed brain. Octopuses have the largest brain of any invertebrate, and their neurons are spread throughout their body, especially in their arms. Each arm can act independently, using its own mini-brain to make decisions. This means an octopus can perform multiple tasks at once, such as using one arm to explore a crevice while the others search for food or defend against predators. Octopuses are also known for their problem-solving skills. In the wild, they have been observed opening jars to access food inside, a task that would stump many other animals. In laboratories, octopuses have shown an ability to navigate mazes, solve puzzles, and even escape from enclosures. This intelligence is a key factor in their survival, as it allows them to adapt to different environments and outsmart predators. The octopus's ability to escape danger is another incredible trait. If an octopus is threatened, it can squirt a cloud of ink to create a smokescreen, allowing it to make a quick escape. This ink doesn't just obscure the vision of predators, it also contains chemicals that can confuse and even paralyze attackers, giving the octopus a chance to flee to safety. Once the threat is gone, the octopus can rapidly regenerate its ink and return to its normal state. Despite their remarkable talents, octopuses are solitary animals. They live alone in dens or crevices and are often nocturnal, hunting for food during the night. Their diet primarily consists of crabs, fish, and mollusks, which they catch using their strong, flexible arms. These arms are equipped with suction cups that allow the octopus to grab and hold onto its prey with incredible strength. Once captured, the octopus uses its sharp beak to break open the shell of its prey, such as crabs, to enjoy a delicious meal. What's even more incredible is that octopuses have a short lifespan. Most species live only 1 to 2 years, although some larger species may live longer. Their time on Earth may be brief, but during their lives, octopuses make a lasting impression with their intelligence, cunning, and unmatched ability to adapt to their environment. In the vast and mysterious world of the oceans, the octopus reigns as a master of disguise, a brilliant escape artist, and a true wonder of nature.